Hey guys, Noise here with another daily recap. And didn't upload any daily recap yesterday as I went out for some gathering at a friend's place. So didn't trade yesterday, and I was using TradingView to look at the gappers, gainers, and seems like yesterday was just any and a couple other tickers around 30%. Pretty much the same like today. So in a way it's a pretty shitty day. So I'm glad I missed out yesterday. Else it would most probably be a red day. So for today, unfortunately, is another red day. I'm down 100. So thankfully, I'm trading this in a small account scale. So instead of losing $1,000 25, I'm just losing $100 and 250. So if APOB was today's leading gapper, and I like the open. However, all this I felt the price was too high to be taking a position at this place. So it's either at the bottom of the downtrend or not at all. So I mean I missed this buy here. So I will probably be purchasing here if I was looking at it. However, I was at other tickers. So thankfully I didn't, since this would probably be a loss down. Secondly, EMVB did not trade it too. Didn't really like the pre-market too much, but somehow it grind out. However, it's still nothing much going on. So IMPL, same thing. I was thinking this could be an oversold. So I was right about it. So added here, sold off half here, then I leave it because I had a couple of loss already. So I let this other half scale bigger. Like for a recent a nice R&R, like the most I'm just gonna lose half of my position from this small area, or potentially I can capture, let's say, a mid of this candle, maybe a 35 move. So unfortunately, nothing holds today. Like literally nothing holds, and there's no follow through. So basically another, in a way, a pick out here, then head back down. So yeah, only took a small profit on this. FTFT didn't trade this. There's some news. But yeah, as you can see, it's very, really choppy and nothing holds. OLB I added it here, thinking this could be the pullback on the second mini candle, and seems like a great position to scale in, risking off the view up. So yeah, would be a nice R&R if it did went up or it did hold, but mm, that's how today is. BTCM I kind of chase it since BTC price. And the thing about BTCM I like is they mine both BTC and ETH. So a lot of people are thinking this could be going to the 18 or 19. However, I don't swing. So in a way, I was hoping this could be the A, B, C, D, which it did. Just that I wanted a bigger pie, which is why I didn't sell at this pricing, which I should. This is the greed in me, like not trading yesterday, so I wanted to make up for the lost time, and I wanted a bigger move today. Plus, I see there isn't any clear gappers today, so I was thinking maybe BTCM, if it could go into the 2030s, it could receive a lot of attention and go up further. Which is why I added on this pullback. Should have sold this, but then that's hindsight. This is a nice 60 cent move. Could be a 60 bucks for me here. But yeah, I didn't. So I let it hold true because I would say I'm still bullish on it, thinking it could bounce off the VWAP, which it did try, but couldn't get over this yesterday's high. So I got stop out here. And yeah, it's really choppy. SPRT, yeah, did to same thing. I was thinking there's no clear leading gapper. APOP is the leading gapper, but this is pretty trash. So yeah, added here, but I got stop out from the pre-market high, which you can see here. So yeah, now it's basically today is pretty lackluster. BTBT and BTCM are like Bitcoin's crypto tickers related, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's even it's slowly going up, grinding up. It's still very choppy. GBS from Wednesday. And yeah, basically there isn't much moves today. Yeah, I think I took TKT. Yeah. So I added here, same thing. Same thing. I could have took a 40 to 50 cent move, but I guess I was too greedy because I was just waiting for either one of them to be the one that go crazy. So I didn't wanted to scale like a 50 cent, 50 cent. I mean, this is my own problem, I believe, since I'm used to taking big gains. Now I'm trading only 10 times smaller than what I was trading. So even if this falls to here, this is like, let's say this is a 20 cent loss. So a 20 cent loss will be only like 20 bucks now. While I'm used to losing 200 on a drop like this. So it's hard to adjust the mentality. Like $20 feels very small for me. However, in this case it's pretty bad. I should definitely have taken this. Let's say I could have took 40 cent here instead of letting myself lose 20 cent here. But in my mind I'm thinking, hey, this is just 20 bucks. Like I'm using 20 bucks to resolve, I don't know, 80. So hindsight, I mean hindsight is always 2020. I'm okay with doing this. Like today's $100 loss is, I'm okay with it since nothing holds and nothing follow through, so losses like this are bound to happen. But it's just like I could have taken 40 cent here, which is maybe 40 bucks, and then there's one more. Yeah, and BTCM, I could have taken another 50 cent here, which is 90 bucks. So I'll probably be up 90 today instead of down 100. However, in my mind, I'm still thinking like, hey, 90 and 100, that's like 10 cent in the past, for last month. But I'm really glad that I scaled down 10 times lower since today is only a $100 loss. Is I could have 10 red days like this and I'll be okay with it compared to one red day of August. So yeah, just have to adjust to this, that I should take whatever profit I can, even if it's, I don't know, $1, $2, $3. So I should take it as a good practice to brush up my fundamentals and not focus on the amount of gains, because a $50 gain here would be a $500 gain if is the position size of me trading in August. So I should take that in mind. And yeah, brush up my trading habits. So unfortunately I ended today with considerably never mind. I ended this week with quite a big red day. It's a $100 day loss, which was equivalent to $1,000 last month. However, I avoided it by having such a big red day by scaling only 10% of my position shares for this small account challenge. So hindsight is a blessing in disguise, but a red day is a red day. It's unfortunate. So just gotta take my mind off it. It's only 10:35. However, I don't want to dig a deeper hole, so I'll just do my daily recap, close everything, and just head into the weekend. Enjoy my weekend and come back Monday stronger. It's still only early in September, where September just started, so I have plenty of times to make amends. Like I had a small I had a small gain. I had a small $200 I had a small $20 win, but now I'm down 100, which is pretty similar to what I was doing in August, like a $200 gain and down 1,000. Pretty similar, so it's better to continue. I mean, this small account challenge is pretty apt at a timing like this, so seems like RAS is tranquil, but okay, yeah, so to end it off, I'll keep this whole September to be this small account challenge. So first thing I gotta work on is scale up. Definitely scale up. 50 cent like this. I mean, this this is considered a pop, but in my mind, this is like what, $50. So previously $50 is just like a momentum candle up. So I wouldn't think this could be the pop and fade. which I should work on. So yeah, I'll definitely be writing this in my training journal to always scale out the profit. If you ask me, I would rather be up $90 than down 100, even though at that point of time I was thinking, do I take this $90 profit and go, or let it raise into 300, 400? So yeah, if the market doesn't follow through and the market doesn't hold, this is what's gonna happen. So down $100 where I could be up 90 is all because of greed. So something to work on over the weekend. Gotta remind myself that again, just to take this month, not care about the profit. Like, of course, if let's say I'm trading really good, really well, today is just gonna be like $100 profit. That's all. And it's gonna take 10 really good days like this to make up one red days in August, and that's the wrong approach to it. So I should focus on just trading my best, like just taking the most optimum trade and just taking the best trade. Even if the even if like this is a really good setup and it's only giving me $20, I should still scale it out instead of hoping it goes into 100 to make my time worth it. So yeah, a lot going on and I gotta adapt to it. So this is only the second trading day if I'm not wrong. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So as usual, stay safe, trade safe, and enjoy your weekend, guys. See you first thing in the morning. Cheers. Peace.